So, I was repairing my relay kit for the headlights, and I broke one of the marker housings. Um, Amongst one of the many things I'm doing today, I'm putting a video together for you guys, showing you the install of the new hatch and prepping that for paint, etc. So look for that video coming up. Let me just give you guys a quick video on the marker lights and what I'm doing with them, and we'll go from there. So you can see I have my marker light housing, and it's busted here. It's 21-year-old or 20-year-old plastic. So the best way to buy them, so just buying a single light, is just buy the replacement lights. And I didn't know, honestly, I didn't think about it. I just bought a cheap set from, well, not cheap, a good set. So removal is just a simple screwdriver. And a lot of y'all have power tools and whatnot. I just don't feel like charging mine right now. So it's simple enough for me to hold with my leg and turn with my hand, for the simple fact that I'm trying to hold the camera in one hand. So it's just these two screws. And I apologize, I'm in a flight path. So now your bulbs in your Cherokee are 3157s for your marker lights or your turn signals. See, two bulbs. These are 3157s, and if you guys go with a light bulb housing like I did, they do make them in amber. And then here on the side, I use an, you can just use an Allen. I don't even know what size this one is. So 3/32 Allen wrench. Take this screw off here, and this screw off here, and then there's a 194 bulb in here. And depending on what housings you go with, you're going to want to go amber. If you go smoked or clear, you're going to want an amber. If you go stock, you could just run a standard clear bulb. Let me get these two screws loose real quick. So both screws are out. Pull this out. And if you're like me, you get dead bugs in there. It happens. So you turn this by hand, and it'll pop out like this. Little 194 bulb. So never hurts to save these. You guys never know what bulbs are going to come in handy. I had a 3157 out on the other side, so it doesn't matter. Let me get my 194 bulb. Little 194 bulb. Little 194 bulb. And like I said, y'all, doing this one-handed is not the easiest. So it goes in like that. And then we grab our new housing. These are made by Depot, and I'll show you guys the part number. I got them on Amazon as a kit. So you pull this protective housing off right here. See? And there's 3 prongs right there. And there's 3 sitting right there. And they made up, and when you push this in, it'll twist and lock in place. I'll see if I can do it one-handed. If not, hold on just a second. So we pushed it in, we're going to twist it a little bit, it's going to lock in place. This sits right into the groove in the body. And depending on how you guys do this, if you're trying to record like me, you get creative with how you do things. At least get that screw started. Get the bottom screw lined up. And this is going to be a pain, you guys, because I'm trying to do multitask here. So, get that situated. And then we'll grab our Allen wrench. Okay, so doing this one-handed isn't easy. So I'm using my Allen wrench to push it in and then turn it. Make sure it sits flush in the hole so it'll tighten up. Now you don't want to crank these down, you just want them snugged up. Because if you're cranking them down, you're just going to crack the housings. So we just get that nice and snug. Fitment's pretty nice on these. Alright, so that's done. Come over here, and these are like the other side. These are twist release 3157s. Like so. And then these come out. Now my phone's dying, so I'm gonna stop here, swap the bulbs. I shouldn't have to show you how to replace bulbs, they just pop out. Then we're gonna screw this down into here with 2 Phillips screws. And let me show you that. So here's the mock-up, and I'll get a better front end picture later on. I still gotta finish painting the grill assembly, so this is gonna be a flat. Right now it's got a gloss to it. I just gotta put a matte on it. But you guys can see the marker lights. And I'll turn these on and we'll see what they look like. I'll be able to get a better video at night too, but I think they're gonna look good. Even with the old broke ones up front. Cleaned it up nicely. I guess breaking one was a blessing in disguise. Let me turn a blinker on and we'll see what it looks like. And I know people are going to say, well, you could go LED. Well, yeah, I could, but I don't want to have to take the dash apart to swap out my relay and all that crap. Well, you guys, I appreciate you watching. That's just simple marker light and turn signal housing replacement. I got to go deal with a major whoops with the paint with the hatch. Colorado's weather's been inconsistent today, so I got to address that situation. You guys will see that in the next video. So thanks for watching. God bless.